Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to install astronomy or Earth wallpaper on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also make sure to put your likes and write comments after watching. So come on friends, we are going to get started with you. Please open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom and find the wallpaper section. Next, you will need to scroll all the way down until you see the new wallpaper section. Click on the plus sign. And now please scroll down and you'll find a section called Planets and Astronomy, and that's how. You can scroll through and look at any of the wallpapers and choose the ones you like best. Or friends, at the very top also you can scroll through the menu and find Astronomy. Click on it. After that, you just have to swipe in order to choose the wallpapers that you like the most. As you can see, you can zoom in, zoom out like this. And when you choose the wallpapers you like, just click Add at the top. That way, you'll create yourself a new astronomy wallpaper or Earth wallpaper on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also, friends, subscribe to the channel. See you soon.